Nicholas, what are you doing? Nicholas? And Nicholas, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Ice cream and cupcake.
You think you're a cupcake? Greg, Nicholas thinks he's a cupcake. Greg?
Yeah.
Nicholas thinks he's a cupcake and he wants Daddy to share it with him. Did you know that's what he's doing?
No.
He's trying to make himself a cupcake.
That's a good costume, buddy, but you know what? No more, okay?
Cake.
As he puts his hand in right now. Buddy, Daddy wants you. He loves you.
Don't tell a lie.
Daddy loves you. You know?
Cupcake.
Nicholas? Nicholas, look at me. Nicholas, look at me. Nicholas, look. You're in trouble. Big trouble, bud.